Good morning, student. Today in this session, I am going to tell you about theorem 10.7 and based some question on this theorem. Let's see the statement of theorem and proof of theorem 10.7. So, theorem 10.7 statement of this theorem is chord equidistance from the center of circle are equal in length. आज हमको जो आपको बताना है उस थ्योरम में कि जो ये कार्ड ए बी है, इस फिगर में जो कार्ड ए बी दिया गया और सी डी ये सेंटर से इक्वी डिस्टेंस पर हैं, तो हमें ये प्रूव करके बताना है कि इनके जो लेंथ हैं वो क्या होंगे, इक्वल होंगे। तो कैसे इसका प्रूफ होगा, आप ध्यान से। C is a circle with center O and AB and CD are two chords we distance from center O, that is OX is perpendicular to AB, OY is also perpendicular on CD, and given that OX is equal to OY, ये दोनों कैसे परपेंडिकुलर होंगे? क्योंकि कोई भी डिस्टेंस अगर शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस है तो वो सेंटर से उस पर क्या होगा, परपेंडिकुलर होता है। शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस जो होता है वो सेंटर से परपेंडिकुलर होता है, उसको हम लाइन सेगमेंट ओ एक्स से डिनोट किया गया। सिमिलरली ये ओ वाई। टू प्रूव, हमको प्रूव क्या करना है, कॉर्ड ए बी इज इक्वल टू सी डी। तो कैसे हम प्रूव करेंगे? नाउ द प्रूफ ऑफ this proof is, firstly we take triangle AOX and triangle COY. In this, AO is equal to CO and angle AXO is equal to angle CYO is equal to 90 degree and OX is equal to OY is given, and AO is equal to CO कैसे? Because it's a radii of circle. So triangle AOX is congruent to triangle COY by RHS congruence rule. Congruence तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, congruence हो जाएगा। Now AX is equal to CY. This is Y CPCT. CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle. यहाँ पर ये साइड इसके So this is the question number first. Now for chord AB, this implies that AB is equal to 2AX, because AB is equal to AX plus BX, but AX is equal to BX. So AB is equal to 2AX. Also we can write AX is equal to AB upon 2, equation number second. And for chord CD, CD is equal to 2CX, CY. To CY, because CD is equal to CY plus DY, but CY is equal to DY. So CD is equal to 2C. This implies that CD upon 2 is equal to CY, question number second. If we apply equation second and third in first, we get AB upon 2 is equal to CD upon 2. So from equation first, second and third, we get AB upon 2 is equal to CD upon 2. This implies that AB is equal to CD. So this is the result of this theorem. हम क्या करेंगे, AX की वैल्यू यहाँ पर पुट कर देंगे क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट में, एंड also the value of CY is put in this equation. So we get AB upon 2 is equal to CD upon 2, that is equal to AB is equal to CD. Hence proved. Let's see the example first on the basis of this theorem. So example is PQ and RQ are chords of circle equidistant from the center, and prove that the diameter passing through the Q bisect angle PQR and angle PSR. जैसा कि इस फिगर में आपको दिया गया है कि QR एंड QP कोई टू कार्ड्स हैं और SQ डायमीटर है जो सेंटर से पास कर रहा है, और हमको ये प्रूव करना है कि दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस, एंड आफ्टर ज्वाइन वी गेट द एंगल PSR, and also we prove that what this is equal to. Here is the construction of this. So let's see the proof of this example. Given that PQ and RQ are two cards equidistant from the center of circle. टू प्रूव, हमको प्रूव क्या करना है, डायमीटर QS bisects angle PQR and angle PSR. So construction क्या है, join PS and RS. So proof is chords QS and PS equidistant from the center. Oh. Means PQ is equal to QR. Why? Because a chord which is equidistant from the center, then chords are equal. This is the theorem, theorem number 10.7. By theorem 10.7. Now, in triangle PQS and triangle RQS, PQ is equal to RS. PQ is equal to RQ. And angle QPS is equal to angle QRS, that is equal to 90 डिग्री. क्योंकि ये हाफ सर्कल पर बना एंगल है तो ये कितना होगा, 90 डिग्री. एंड QS is equal to QS. Why? Because this is the common side for both triangle. So we can say that by RHS congruence rule, triangle PQS and RQS are congruent. congruent हो जाएगा, और जब congruent हो गया तो we get what, angle PQS is equal to angle RQS and angle PSQ is equal to angle RSQ by equation first. This is equation first. So we can say that from equation first, QS is angle bisector of angle PQR and angle PSR, hence proved. So student, note down the solution of this question and practice some question on the basis of this theorem. Let's see the classwork. So classwork is, in the classwork, question first is, in the given figure, O is the center of circle and PO bisect angle APD. So prove that AB is equal to CD. By using the theorem 10.7 and prove it. Thank you so much.